In this video, I'm going to show you how to export property agent data from Zillow to Excel. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract property agent data from Zillow to Excel, we'll use the no-code bot builder. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Install Botster's free Chrome extension. Search for the no-code bot builder. Click on the green button to create a custom bot. Select the single page scraper. Name your job. Enter a link and click on Select Elements. Add the elements you need to export. For example, property agent names and phones. Add more links with identical structure. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel or JSON to save the extracted property agent data to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported property agent names, phone numbers, websites, and more. You can scrape other details if you need. Sign up on Botster, extract property agent data from Zillow using the no-code bot builder, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.